Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert tab leaders in table of content in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document and take a table of content. Now we want to insert tab leaders on this table of content. Go to the first step, then click the paragraph settings option, then go to the tabs, then write 5 on the tab stop position, then select the right, then leader 2 and click OK, then press tab on our keyboard, and we can see we insert the tab stop leader in this table of content very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.